is it okay to use artificial intelligence, especially for business? Yeah, of course it is. Hey guys, so this is a question that many people have asked us about artificial intelligence, right? And is artificial intelligence something that you can use, and is it reliable for business? Yeah, for the moment it's really good and it saves you time, so use it. But like all technology, you are always going to have a few drawbacks. That's what a drawback means. So what should you do? I say use it. But remember, for Business English, you can't always have your ChatGPT with you when you are in a live meeting. So what do? And here are a few expressions that you need to know. These are really good because they help you in situations where you're not really controlling everything and maybe you're not really sure about what to say. Because for Business English, it's not so much about what you say, it's how you say it. So let's have a look at a few examples. And the first one is an issue. Now, Business English, the people don't say they have a problem because a problem is kind of negative, no? So what people generally say is we have an issue. We have an issue regarding this, or we have an issue regarding that. It sounds so much better than saying we have a problem. Help! What do you do if you want to say you don't know, but you can't really say I don't know because it sounds really unprofessional, no?
I don't know.
So what they have in English is this fantastic word, and it is aware. So you say, ooh, I'm not aware. And it sounds so much better than I don't know. I am aware or I am not aware. Or as far as I am aware. Now that one is good because it shows that with all the information that you have, this is your understanding. So you don't have to say yes or no, as far as I'm aware.
That's a great idea. I'm with that.
Now, with business emails, a business email today, please keep it short. If you're getting 100 emails a day, you don't have a minute to spend on each email. So keep it short, guys, because an email today is just a written conversation so that you are able to ensure that you don't get involved in any trouble if anything goes wrong, no? And that's what business is kind of all about, making sure you don't get into any problems, huh?
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get
So you always can use this expression, as per my last email, which what this does is it draws attention to your last email. For example, as per my last email regarding the slight issue that we had with delivery or sending out the information. You see? Really good, no? Now, when it comes to finishing a business meeting or an email, it's always nice to be polite and to thank the person. And you can always thank them in advance. So I know that you are going to do this for me, so I want to thank you in advance. Before they do the act, you thank them in advance, and it makes the person know that you are really polite. Now guys, please use these expressions because they will help you. Business English is wonderful. It allows you to speak and communicate and improve your English. And yes, we know that ChatGPT or DeepSeek or whatever, Copilot or whatever AI platform that you are using is going to be really good. But sometimes if you have to give an answer at the precise moment, then you need to be able to have some things in your armory that you can use, and it will enable you to sound so much more professional. And that's what we want for our students here at Brent English. So come on, use it, and if you don't understand anything, get in touch with us. We'll explain them to you so you can understand them much, much better. Happy Business English!